Hello, everyone. I'm David, and I'm thrilled to take you on a tour of my new apartment today. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn some basic English vocabulary related to homes. Let's step inside. Right as we enter, you'll see the entryway or foyer. This is where I hang up my coat and store my shoes. It's not very big, but it's super handy. Here we are in the living room. This is where I relax, watch TV, and hang out with friends. There's my sofa, which is really comfy, and across from it, the TV stand. Oh, and meet Jasper, my friendly and curious cat, who loves to nap here. Moving on to the kitchen, that's my refrigerator, where all my food stays. Cool. The stove where I cook is right over here, and next to it is the sink for washing up. This is my bedroom. The big piece of furniture is the bed, that's where I sleep. The wardrobe over there holds all my clothes. It's really roomy. Let's not forget the balcony. Out here, I've started a small garden where I grow herbs and a few flowers. It's my little green space in the city. Finally, here's the bathroom. We have a bathtub and shower for getting clean, the toilet, and over here is another sink where I brush my teeth and wash my hands. That's it for our tour.